So if you're looking at your current home and you're thinking maybe there's some renovations that you want to make, or if you're looking to purchase a home that really needs some TLC, there are renovation loans available to you. There are some that are available conventional. There are some that are available FHA. It really just depends on the scope of the project, how long it's going to take to get the work done, what type of work you want done. So some things are not allowed, some luxury items like pools and things like that. The program will dictate sort of which way we go. And then how big the project is, meaning how much we need to borrow to get that work done, that will also dictate which loan program we kind of go with. But overall, renovation loans are a great loan program for a home that's kind of in distress, that it's probably not in a livable condition right now, and that you would want to fix up before you move in. But if you are currently in a home and you just wanted to have some extra money to do a renovation, maybe a big renovation, like completely redo your kitchen, that would be something where maybe a renovation loan would make sense and you wouldn't want to just put all that on a credit card, right? So renovation loans are great ways to increase the value of the home and make it how you want to make it.